Natural fucking cloud formations, hey folks? This is that daily dose of dickheadedness. Motherfucking, oh look. It has to do that till right there, and then the plane just mysteriously kept on, and like, I don't know. Did it survive? Who knows? The chemtrail ended right there. Those are all chemtrail clouds. Not a one of them is a real motherfucking cloud, people. Now wake up. Y'all being deceived. Like, share, subscribe. Look at that shit. Are you fucking dumb? Look, look. Shoots and lighters. There's the patterns. But hey, clouds. What can I say? They do the strangest things. Fucking retard ass motherfuckers.